Hello and welcome to my this video, and in this video we are going to talk about on another important topic, yoga, a holistic blade transformation in India, a decade empowered by yoga. So if you are new on this channel, you can subscribe this channel for such new impactful or powerful videos. Even you can leave a comment into the comment box to get me a little happier. So let's get it started now. Let's go. In villages and small towns, yoga is proving to be more than just a practice. It's becoming a tool for better health, resilience, and community well-being. With its low-cost, preventing approach to lifestyle diseases and chronic ailments, yoga is offering rural communities an accessible path to holistic wellness. Across the country, inspiring stories continue to emerge from school children and farmers to homemakers and elders, all discovering the healing power of yoga in their everyday lives. From ancient wisdom to modern empowerment, yoga is reshaping health, fostering harmony, and building self reliance in rural India, proving its profound impact on communities and economies. The profound wisdom of yoga has continually affirmed its timeless relevance to human well-being. Rooted in ancient Indian tradition, yoga embodies the pursuit of holistic health with a harmonious balance of the physical, mental, and spiritual dimensions that remains a universal human aspiration. Far beyond a mere physical discipline, yoga offers a comprehensive system grounded in deep philosophy, and it addresses the interplay between the mind, body, and spirit, cultivating inner peace, enhancing resilience, and fostering the deep sense of connection to oneself and the world. And now, yoga has transcended the geographical boundary, emerging as a cherished legacy from India's ancient heritage to the modern world. The global embrace of yoga reached a historic milestone when, on December 11, 2014, the United Nations officially declared June 21 as the International Day of Yoga. This landmark recognition came after a heartfelt proposal by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his address at 69th session of General Assembly of UN. Speaking not just as a leader but as a messenger of India's ancient wisdom, he said, "Yoga is an invaluable gift of our tradition and legacy." He said, yoga embodies mind and body, thought and action, restraint and fulfillment, a harmony between man and nature, a holistic approach to health and well-being. Yoga is not just about exercise, but it's a way to discover the oneness with yourself, the world, and the nature. What began as a symbolic celebration has now transformed into a vibrant global movement, uniting the people across the culture and continent. At the heart of this momentum has been Prime Minister Narendra Modi's unwavering call for mass participation. His appeal to make Yoga Day a creative and meaningful experience for all has sparked an innovative and inclusive celebrations. Thank you.